I don't think two people were buried here. I do believe it's her grave. There goes the gold mine rail. And are they growing it? This kind of cactus. I know one thing. It's beautiful. So that means it's more poisonous. Or that way. Or just straight down. ATV tour. I took this way. Beautiful. Way up here. Ha ha. Not too hard because I didn't want to get tired. Small the beds were. Is that a bullet hole? Good thing they put beams right there. What am I looking at? Is it an outhouse? Is an old school bus. Boy, look how much cushion to the tushin. My dad has owned one. Wow. What in the world? Water source. So small. For the winter time? Own one. Animal water basin. This side is the gas station. This side is the mine. 1861.